Ready to get in the groove? Hey everyone, welcome back to SeaTac Studios. I'm Floyd Chapman, and today I'm excited to show you the performance in lighting Groove 21. Okay, this is really cool. The Groove 21 is an innovative indoor and outdoor in-ground or in-wall recessed system for direct view light. It is the perfect option for contour and path illumination in urban areas such as malls and pedestrian zones. The Groove 21 modular system allows designers to create configurations with endless possibilities in your project. To do this, you're given a wide variety of straight runs, curves, T's, and X's to choose from. This slim line of light is only 1 3/16 inches wide and is built with a state-of-the-art sophisticated technological processes, a patented double IP rating to grant reliable performance even in extreme conditions, and a double layer resin coat to ensure complete light uniformity. This linear system is made of 2 parts, an extruded aluminum anodized housing and an IP67 rated double resin coating, where the lower transparent part functions to protect the LEDs from mechanical stresses and to guarantee maximum luminous efficiency. The upper is a satin finish, giving you a homogeneous line of light over the entire light emitting area. Installation of the Groove 21 system is simple with the 2-part fitting, consisting of the LED luminaire and the stainless steel recessed box. The box is ordered separately and comes with an anti-deformation cover to avoid any possible deformations during the installation in concrete. Tool-free installation of the luminaire in the recessed box is a simple drop and snap. Once installed, you'll have a system that is weather resistant and ready for abuse with IP67, IK10, and 6,000-pound drive-over ratings. With static 3K and 4K tunable white to allow smooth variations in color temperature and RGBW for dynamic effects, plus 90 CRI standard, you've got all the tools you need to make your project stand out for all the right reasons. Okay, rounding out the specs. We've got a remote 24-volt low-voltage driver with maximum runs of 45 feet for static white and 35 feet for tunable white or RGBW. Performance in Lighting's Groove 21 meets Buy American Act requirements and carries a 5-year warranty. What creative pattern can you create with the Groove 21 in your next urban project? We can't wait to see it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hello everybody, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.